Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where innovation meets the open road. If you're passionate about luxury, speed, and state-of-the-art engineering, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the all-new 2026 BMW Motorhome. A vehicle that promises to redefine travel luxury and performance in ways we've never seen before. Buckle up, because this is more than just a motorhome. This is BMW's ultimate vision for mobile living. At first glance, the 2026 BMW Motorhome doesn't just look sleek, it looks revolutionary. BMW has managed to maintain its signature design language, blending it perfectly with the robust and functional form of a motorhome. The iconic kidney grille has been seamlessly integrated into the front, flanked by laser-sharp adaptive headlights and an aerodynamic body sculpted to reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency. With flush-fitting windows, retractable solar panel roofing, and 22-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels, this machine looks like it belongs in the future and drives like it too. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Motorhome packs a punch with a twin-motor all-electric powertrain that produces over 600 horsepower. Powered by BMW's Gen 8 battery system, it boasts a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capability brings it from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. And don't be fooled by its size, this motorhome accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. That's faster than most sports sedans, making it one of the quickest motorhomes in the world. But speed isn't everything, and BMW knows it. That's why the 2026 Motorhome also includes adaptive air suspension, real-time chassis control, and intelligent weight distribution to ensure an incredibly smooth ride, whether you're cruising the Autobahn or navigating winding mountain roads. Inside, it's a whole new level of comfort and class. The cabin has been designed with BMW's LuxSphere concept in mind, offering a modular interior that adapts to your lifestyle. Premium merino leather upholstery, walnut wood accents, ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic glass roof make the living space feel like a luxury suite on wheels. The lounge area converts into a full entertainment zone with a 55-inch OLED TV, 7.1 surround sound, and even integrated VR support for immersive travel experiences. A fully equipped smart kitchen features induction cooktops, an espresso bar, and a touch-controlled fridge. And the master bedroom? It includes a memory foam king-size bed, biometric climate control, and a digital skylight to stargaze as you sleep. Tech-wise, BMW has gone all out. The 2026 Motorhome includes the next-generation iDrive 10 system with full AI voice control, real-time route optimization, and full 5G connectivity. Augmented reality windshields, gesture-controlled cabin systems, and facial recognition security are just a few of the futuristic touches that make this feel like more than just a vehicle. It's a smart home on wheels. There's also a built-in drone port with an autonomous drone companion for overhead navigation and video capture. Perfect for vloggers and adventurers. Sustainability plays a big role too. The solar-paneled roof provides up to 25% of the daily energy needs, while the interior is built with recyclable materials and vegan alternatives. BMW's Eco Mode allows for off-grid camping for up to 7 days with minimal impact. Smart water recycling, an integrated gray water system, and a zero-waste composting toilet system round out the off-grid credentials. With the 2026 BMW Motorhome, we're not just talking about luxury, we're talking about redefining what it means to live and travel. It's sleek, it's smart, it's sustainable, and it performs like no other vehicle in its class. Whether you're heading cross-country, living on the road, or just dreaming of a smarter future, this machine is designed to turn heads and raise expectations. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. If you love futuristic vehicles and want to see more high-end innovations on wheels, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Because here, we don't just follow the road, we lead it.